Microsoft's latest event brought along plenty of awesome Surface devices and upgrades, including the brand new Surface Pro 9. With tons of internal enhancements and brand new colors, it's looking pretty sleek. With the new Surface lineup hitting the market, the previous ones, specifically the Surface Pro 8, will be going through price drops, making it easier to afford. With that being said, which one will be worth going for? To find out, keep on watching. Design-wise, both the Surface Pro 9 and Pro 8 maintain a similar appearance with minor tweaks here and there. While both of these come with platinum and graphite color options, the Pro 9, however, offers two additional ones. The new sapphire and forest color gradient looks really good and stretches onto the keyboard as well. Apart from that, the 3.5mm jack could not make its way onto the Surface Pro 9. Instead, it brings along two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a Surface Connect port on the standard version, and two USB 3.2 Type-C along with a SIM slot and Surface Connect port on the 5G model. Speaking of, this is the first Surface Pro tablet to feature 5G connectivity from Microsoft. Other than that, hardware such as front and back-facing cameras are still the same, with features such as auto framing and 4K video capability, which is worth pointing out. There is also not much to talk about the display of these Pro devices, as both maintain the same 13-inch size with a native resolution of 2880 by 1920p, along with 120Hz refresh rate and 267 pixel density. The colors are still as accurate and exciting as they used to be on the Surface Pro 8, which upholds the superior display experience really well. Most of the changes happened internally, as the Surface Pro 9 has been upgraded with the latest specs. This 2-in-1 can now be paired up with either an Intel 12th Gen U series chip such as the i5-1235U or the i7-1255U, as well as an ARM-based SQ3 processor. Apart from that, users can also go for up to 32GB LPDDR5 RAM and up to 1TB of SSD storage if they prefer with the Pro 9. Pro 8, on the other hand, comes with up to i7-1185G7 processor with up to 32GB of DDR4 memory and 1TB of SSD storage option. Battery backup is still on the prime, as we're expecting about 16 hours of backup on the latest Surface Pro 9. So, what's it gonna be? Should you go for the Surface Pro 9 or save some bucks by going with the Pro 8? We would rather leave the decision up to you. While much hasn't changed design-wise on the Pro 9, it does bring charming color options and performance upgrades that can be worth investing in. Otherwise, the Pro 8 was, and still is, one of the most powerful Pro 2-in-1 from Microsoft. So, that was all about the Surface Pro 9 versus Surface Pro 8 debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.